So we're here in the shopping district of Budapest. So from St. Stephen, tourists go here. Okay. Iba-ibang mga brands, no, available here. You have a lot of tourists. We saw Filipinos na dito. Ikot-ikot. We're looking for car rentals, no, shop. Doon kabila, that's McDo. Going here. Daming mga brands. Okay, restaurant. Okay. Basta pumasok here. Bus station. Kusina. May Mercure Hotel. Ang ganda yung setup din nila, no? Dahil mga sites, tourist destinations. Tapos shopping. Super lamig ngayon kaya nakabalo tayo. You have Adidas. Ibang mga shops here. Uy, KFC. They have KFC here. Ang dami. Chuyoks. Where are they na? Sa unahan. Saan ba sila naglakad? Oh, where are they? They have KFC here. I don't think sila yun. Souvenir. Ang taas na building. Hungarian shopping market. I don't think sila yun. Yeah, I don't think. Umalik tayo. Okay. Wala tayo. This is ito, Hungarian market. Folk art. Ano to? Tablecloths. Leather. Go back here. I'm sure hindi sila lumabas. They're just here. Ang ganda. Okay.
Direkt, kita lang kasi ng basta. Hindi na po yun.